Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot I-12 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this is a pre-owned home. Take a walk through the outside. She has such beautiful setup on the outside. Get these really nice chairs, this hammock here. This house comes with outside water and electric. Show you the outlets for that in a moment. Got these really nice plants that she has planted right in the stoneway. Got 2 steps. You can see the electrical outlets right there and the water hook up in the middle, which she has a hose on. Now we'll take a look on the inside. So you've got this gorgeous kitchen right as you walk in. And here is the living room. Got the ceiling fan right up at the top. These 2 very large windows at the front of the house, which bring in a ton of light. She's got a bunch of plants in here, which really gives some life to this house. There's an accent wall, which she will be leaving. She's got a nice little fireplace set up here, television. Here's the accent wall a little bit more up close. Got vinyl flooring throughout this house. All stainless steel appliances from Whirlpool. Got super deep cabinetry space on the right. She's got 2 little tables slid between the refrigerator and the cabinet there. Here's your refrigerator. Got these really nice cute little plants set up above the sink there. And a subway tile backsplash that runs the whole length of the kitchen. Here is the farm sink, and there is an extendable nozzle on the sprayer. Got your microwave right above your oven with a stove combination. There is a heating tray below as well, and this is your dishwasher there. Right behind here, you've got the window to the side. She's got a recycling and trash can here. This is your furnace, which is responsible for the central air conditioning and forced hot air in this house. And here is the bathroom. This is your shower, which has these extra nozzles on it. This is a 1-piece fiberglass with 2 seats in there. Here's the commode. And you've got a medicine cabinet here, or a cabinet to use for anything. I really love the decorations in this house. Right here, she has a hanger installed. This is the second door, and you've got a little blind that she has installed here. You can just pull and push that right up, and it goes up with you. Here is the stackable washer and dryer. And this is the bedroom. She's got a dresser right at the front here. Behind this door is the closet. And I'd also like to note that she has installed hangers on the door as well. Now standing in the corner to give you a sense of depth of the room. Behind this door here, you have your water heater. Got more hangers installed at the back of this door, and this is your electrical panel. This is 100 amps, just like a regular house. And if you're interested in more information about this home, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception, here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also a 1-bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.